Hello, welcome to my class. Date, Wednesday, 13 October 2020. Topic, Alibaba and the 40 Thieves. Performance, read pages 34 to 37. And please write you the pedagogical word unit. Okay, we start. Okay, look the picture and start to read. Before long, the thief discovered Alibaba's home. The captain, okay, this is the home, this is the home, this is the house, Alibaba's home, okay? The captain dresses as an oil merchant and his men hide in oil jars. This is the captain, look, and dresses like oil merchant. Se disfrazó como un distribuidor de aceite. And the thief, here, y en cada una de estas jars están los ladrones. Entonces dice, the captain dresses as an oil merchant and his men hide escondidos in oil jars, in these oil jars. Then they go to Kasim's house. The captain. I am an old merchant and I come from far away. Okay, él dice, el capitán dice, I am an old merchant and I come from far away. Vienen desde muy lejos. I am very tired. Estoy muy cansado. Can I stay here for the night? Can I? ¿Puedo yo? Can I stay? ¿Puedo yo estar here, aquí, for at night? In the night? At night? ¿Puedo estar aquí esta noche? Of course. You're very welcome. Come in. Entonces, Alibaba no se da cuenta. Entonces le dice, por supuesto, of course. You are welcome. Son bienvenidos. Come in. Okay, look at that. Look at the picture. Alibaba shows the captain to his room. The other thief, wait for me. I don't know how to do. Okay, aquí, pongámoslo aquí. Alibaba shows the captain to his room. The other thieves wait for the signal to get in their house and kill Alibaba. Okay? Alibaba le muestra la casa, su habitación, his room. The other thief wait, los demás esperaban por la señal para ir a la casa y matar a Alibaba. But Morgiana discovered their plan and told her master. Morgiana descubrió el plan. Look that. See? And tell him. Morgiana. I went to get some oil from the oil jars and I discovered there were 39 thieves inside them. Entonces ella le dice, I went to get some oil from the oil jars. Entonces yo fui por aceite a los tarros de aceite, a los jarros. And discovered, y descubrí los 39 bandidos o ladrones dentro de ellos. They plan to kill you, master. They planned to kill you. Ellos van a matarlo, master. But don't worry. They can't not hurt you now. Pero no se preocupe. ellos no lo pueden hacer daño ahora. Why? What did you do? Le dice él, why? ¿Por qué? Why? Why? Las preguntas question word, why, ¿por qué? Busca una razón. Why? What did you do? ¿Qué hiciste? Like that. Entonces él mira, le dice, Morgiana takes Ali Baba to the yard and shoves him. She poured boiled oil on the thief and killed them. Le echó aceite, bolas de aceite, y los mató. The captain is looking from his window. The captain is looking from his windows. He's very angry. Está muy bravo. He's very angry. Captain, oh no, they know everything, and my men are dead. Ali Baba must pay for this, but now I must escape. Sí, se dio cuenta que lo sabían todo pero ahora tiene que escaparse y que sus hombres murieron. Someday later, the captain returned to Qasim's house. He is the captain and returned for Qasim's house. Now he's dressed as a silk merchant. Ahora ya viene disfrazado de vendedor de seda. He is wearing a fake beard, look the beard, and Ali Baba doesn't recognize him. He shows Ali Baba his silk and he plans to kill him, but Morgiana recognizes him at once. Entonces él llega disfrazado con una barba, look, like this, pero Ali Baba no lo reconoce, pero Morgiana sí. Y dice ella, oh, I'm sorry, dice, I know who you are, thief. Take this and don't come back. ¿Ok? Entonces ella le da un patadón. Take this back and don't come back. Y no regreses. Ali Baba. Thank you, Morgiana, for what you did for us. You are no longer a servant. You are going to marry my son and to be a member of our family. Entonces le dice, thank you for that, for what you did for us, por lo que ha hecho por nosotros. No vas a ser más una sirviente. Usted se va a casar con mi hijo, look the son, and be a member of our family. Y va a ser miembro de nuestra familia. Okay, this is the activity for today. If you have your book, tienen unas actividades los que tengan el libro en la página 39, and you can make that. Okay, this is the activity for today. Bye, my students. Only read. Solamente leímos y los que tengan el libro, pues ahí sí contestan la actividad. Bye.